Welcome to our air conditioner installation lesson.
Today, I will follow Reina's instructions.
We will practice clear workplace communication.
I will repeat each instruction before working.
Safety checks always come before speed.
I will ask whenever something is unclear.
Let's install the system carefully together.
I got it. I am ready to begin.
First, greet the customer and confirm the request.
I will confirm the model and installation room.
Check the indoor and outdoor unit locations.
I will also check the piping route.
Make sure the airflow will not be blocked.
There is enough space around the indoor unit.
Now, check the drainage destination.
The drain hose can reach the balcony safely.
Confirm where the outdoor unit can stand firmly.
The prepared base looks level and strong.
Explain today's work sequence to the customer.
I got it. I will explain it clearly.
Before starting, check your safety equipment.
My gloves and safety glasses are ready.
Place a protective sheet under the work area.
You got it. I will spread it out now.
Keep the tools away from the walking path.
I will arrange them beside the tool case.
Check that the ladder feet are stable.
All 4 feet are firmly on the floor.
Please bring me the level and tape measure.
You got it. I will bring both of them.
Do you understand the next safety step?
I got it. We check the power before wiring.
Hold the mounting plate against the wall.
I am holding it at the planned height.
Check the distance from the ceiling.
The clearance matches the installation guide.
Use the level and check both sides.
The left side is slightly lower.
Raise it a little and check again.
I got it. I will adjust it slowly.
Is the bubble centered now?
Yes. The plate is level now.
Mark the screw positions clearly.
You got it. I will mark every point.
Do not drill until we inspect the wall.
I will check for hidden wires and pipes.
Use the detector across the planned area.
No hidden line is detected here.
Mark the center of the opening.
The center point is clearly marked.
Keep the drill steady and work slowly.
I got it. I will stop if resistance changes.
Protect the room from dust before drilling.
The dust cover and vacuum are ready.
Begin only after everyone is clear.
You got it. The area is clear now.
Arrange the pipes, cable, and drain hose together.
I will place the drain hose below the others.
Do not bend the refrigerant pipes sharply.
I will make a wide and gentle curve.
Check the insulation for any gaps.
The entire joint is covered securely.
Keep the drain hose sloping downward.
I got it. I will avoid any upward bend.
Wrap the bundle without crushing the hose.
The bundle is firm, but not too tight.
Prepare the flare connections carefully.
You got it. I will keep them clean.
Lift the indoor unit from both sides.
I have a secure grip on the unit.
Keep the ladder steady while I guide the pipes.
I got it. I will hold it firmly.
Pass the pipe bundle through the wall opening.
The bundle is moving without resistance.
Hook the upper section onto the mounting plate.
You got it. The upper hooks are engaged.
Now press the lower section into place.
I heard both lower clips lock.
Check that the unit does not move.
It is mounted firmly and evenly.
Move the outdoor unit with 2 people.
I am holding the lower handle securely.
Place it gently on the prepared base.
The unit is now on the base.
Keep enough space around the air outlet.
There is enough clearance in front.
Check whether the unit rocks.
The right side moves a little.
Adjust the base before making connections.
You got it. I will level the base now.
Check the unit one more time.
It is stable and level now.
Align the pipe connections without strain.
The connections align naturally.
Follow the manufacturer's tightening instructions.
I got it. I will use the specified method.
Check the wiring diagram before connecting.
The colors and terminal numbers match.
Confirm the power is isolated again.
The power is off and verified.
Prepare the vacuum pump and gauges.
You got it. The equipment is connected.
Watch the readings and check for leaks.
The readings remain stable.
Pour test water into the drain pan slowly.
The water is draining slower than expected.
Stop the test and inspect the drain hose.
I got it. I will inspect behind the unit.
Can you see any bend or pressure point?
The hose is bent behind the indoor unit.
That bend may block the water flow.
I will correct it and restore the slope.
Test the drainage again after correction.
You got it. I will add water slowly.
Is the water flowing smoothly now?
Yes, the drainage is working properly.
Start the test operation and listen carefully.
The indoor unit is operating quietly.
Check the airflow and outlet temperature.
Cool air is coming out evenly.
Check the outdoor unit for unusual vibration.
The sound and vibration are normal.
Explain the remote control to the customer.
I got it. I will demonstrate each button.
Also explain filter cleaning and maintenance.
You got it. I will show the cleaning steps.
Clean the area and count every tool.
The installation and final check are complete.
Use I got it when you understand an instruction.
I got it. It means I understand.
Use you got it when you accept a request.
You got it. It can mean leave it to me.
Please confirm the installation location.
I got it. I will check the piping route too.
Please bring me the level.
You got it. I will bring it now.
Stop the test and inspect the drain hose.
I got it. I found the bend.
Please explain the remote control.
You got it. I will explain it clearly.
Today, we practiced clear installation instructions.
Repeating instructions helped me avoid mistakes.
What does I got it mean here?
It means I understand the instruction.
What does you got it mean here?
It means I accept the request.
Safety checks are more important than speed.
I will keep asking when something is unclear.
Good communication makes the work safer.
I feel ready for the next installation.
Thank you for watching our workplace lesson.
See you in the next slow English lesson.